Hello and welcome to this trigger tutorial. Today I'm going to talk to you about target links. Links allow a trigger button or a master button to control a target button, and there is a choice of events in the trigger button that you can trap to control various actions that are performed on the target button. Now, to demonstrate just one example of this, I'm going back to a tutorial that I did a little while ago, and I have a piece of music which fires a sync point and fires a voiceover. So we'll just have a quick listen to that.
Incredibly, this will be Dex.
Now the music on the master button, or the music button here, ducks when the voiceover fires. And the way I achieved that originally was on the music button to actually draw in an envelope and duck the music like that. But today I want to just show how you can use links to achieve this in a different way. So I remove the nodes, the envelope nodes that I'd originally instated on the music track, and this time I'm going to go to the voiceover button and open up button properties for that. Now I'm going to zoom in on the end, and I'm going to just introduce a little fade out, or an end fade really this is, and I'm just going to put a little node in like that so it doesn't fade straight away. Then I'll go to the links target page, and I'm going to add two links. The first link is going to be when the button is fired, so this is the event here, and the event is when this button is fired, and the target button is the music track. And what I want it to do when that button is fired is, these are the actions that are going to be performed on the target button. In this instance you can see there are various actions that can be performed here, and in this instance I want it to slide the volume. So I select slide volume and I open up the show parameters, and I'm going to have quite a quick slide of, let's say, 200 milliseconds, and we're going to reduce the target button in level by 15 dBs. Then on the we've got, obviously when the voiceover finishes playing, we want to bring the music level back up again. So in this instance we're going to say when that end fade starts, so the event, these are the various events that I can trap. In this instance I'm going to use the end fade. It's the same target button, and again we want to slide the volume, so we go to slide volume, and this time we'll set it to slide over, say, 260 milliseconds, and we want to increase the level this time by the same amount, 15 dBs. When I'm happy with that, I can click done, and we can listen to the result.
Incredibly, this will be Dex' 11th link of the night. We know him as Declan Donnelly, while to his legions of fans he's known, quite simply, as Ant. According to Wikipedia, he is 5'7", and if you believe that, you really will believe anything.
So there's an example of how you can use links. I'll just add a trigger button now and demonstrate that for simple links there's an easier way of setting them up. In that we did set that link up in button properties because we wanted to slide the volume, but if you simply want to stop buttons or fire buttons, you can point at the tag section on the trigger button, hold down the control key on your keyboard and drag and drop to the target button. In this instance the event that I want to trap on the trigger button is on fire, and what I'm going to do is set that to stop the target button, and we'll do the same here with this, and we just set that to stop. We click done. And now if I fire these tracks off,
Incredibly, this will be...
fire the trigger button and it stops both simultaneously. If I go to project and go show links, then you will get a graphical display of the target links interconnection to make things a bit clearer. Okay, that ends today's brief tutorial on target links. I hope you've enjoyed watching.